Hello, everyone. Today we are going to increase our word power by unlocking the difficult words in the story Tong in Town. Let's start. Mang Pedring displayed his handicrafts at his daughter's school fair. What do you mean by the word fair? Hmm. A. A public exhibition. B. Beauty. Or C. Charm. The correct answer is a public exhibition. In the past, Filipino migrants in the United States were victims of discrimination. What do you mean by the word discrimination? A. Neutral distinction of the basis of preference or prejudice. B. A negative distinction on the basis of preference or prejudice. C. A positive distinction on the basis of preference or prejudice. The correct answer is letter B. A negative distinction on the basis of preference or prejudice. Tame animals like dogs and cats are the favorite pets of children. What do you mean by the word tame? A. Controlled. B. Domesticated. Or C. Gentle. The correct answer is letter B. Domesticated. Odette developed a hoarse voice due to her continuous screaming during the basketball championship game. What do you mean by the word hoarse? A. Sweet. B. Well modulated. Or C. Rough. The correct answer is letter C. Rough. Richard's solo act was well applauded by the audience. What do you mean by the word solo? A performance by single individual. B. A performance by a group. Or C. A small bottle of soft drink. The correct answer is letter A performance by single individual. That, that's all for today. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Champ Kid TV on YouTube.